Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to show apps when snapping or using Alt-Tab in Windows 11. If you want to enable this option, you need to click right mouse button on icon of a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Yes, so I select here settings, and of course home settings will be displayed here, but we are interested in to open system tab on the left panel. Then I need to scroll down and find here something like multitasking, because here you will be able to adjust snap windows, desktops and task switching settings. So I click on this one arrow, and now here I need to enable snap windows option, and I need to change settings for this option, because here we can adjust settings to show tabs from apps when snapping or pressing Alt Tab. If you have here option don't show tabs, you need to click on this list, and then you can select one from available options. You can say here 3 most recent tabs, 5 most recent tabs, or 20 most recent tabs. I recommend you to say here this one option, 5 most recent tabs, and after that this option will be enabled. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.